WT0510, Melanie Abaro, 31 years old, single, college level, 2 years experience housemaid in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Melanie Abaro, 31 years of age, residing in San Felipe, Zambales. I have 3 kids. 8 years old is the eldest, the second one is 4 years old, and the youngest is 3 years old. My mother is a housekeeper, and my father is a fish pond operator. I have 1 brother, and I have a 2 years experience housemaid nanny here in the Philippines.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
It takes 3 hours from Zambales to Manila.
Tell me something about your 2 years experience in housemaid in the Philippines.
My experience as a housemaid nanny in the Philippines is sometimes, I must say that sometimes it's so difficult, but I need long patience and understanding, because I believe that if you love your job, no one is difficult.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Sort of, ma'am.
What are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the elderly?
Of course, ma'am.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, ma'am, wash your hands, and after that, clean the bottle, then sterilize it for 4 to 5 minutes, then put some water to the level of the bottle.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
First, I will check his diaper, then second, check her body temperature.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
First, ma'am, I ask permission. I'll ask their parents regarding the situation.
Okay. Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me one example.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just make myself busy.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No, ma'am, I will not break the contract.
What will you do?
I'll just call them first, then after that I'll send them money.
What could you teach the children?
Good moral. I teach the children good moral, right to respect their parents, love their parents and the other people, and especially fear to God.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay, and because Chinese is a good employer.
Give your message to Bisun employer.
Sir, Madam, I am Melanie Abaro. I am assuring you that I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, and honest person.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.